guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and hit the subscribe button down here. Also, it will prompt you to click the notification bell. Don't forget to do that as well so that you'll get notified whenever I upload some videos. For today's video, we are gonna do a demo on how I clip my hair extension. When purchasing hair extension, you really have to keep in mind the texture of your hair. And there's a lot of types of hair extensions. There are ones that you can't iron, there are ones that you can iron, there are ones that you can style and curl it, and there are ones that you can. So you have to be very careful of what hair extensions you are buying. These ones are fine with like straightening it, but not a lot of heat for this one right here. I got this from Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below and you can check it out, and you could, I'm probably gonna link something similar to this because I cannot find it. The last time I looked for it, I can't find it. This is the 7-piece hair extension. It's black and straight. That's how it looks like. Comes with little clips like this, so it's very easy to install. If you get like a sleek, straight, smooth and silky straight like this, and if your hair is frizzy, not gonna work unless you can manage to turn it into like a silky, really silky and straight hair. So today I'm gonna install this and show you guys how I do it. Clip my hair up and clip that with, go ahead and brush this just to make it a little smoother, and then you go ahead and do that. Locate the middle and brush down, clip. Same thing in here. So that's installed. So now you have to lower this down like so. Okay, and then you have to divide it all over again. That's how it looks at the back. It's really nice and long. I'm gonna install these other ones here. I'm gonna install this over this side right here. Like so. And if you want, it does come with a single pieces right here, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't have any space to put for it, because when you do the hair extension, you don't want this part here to be bulky and very obvious. I'm gonna let it sit, like I'm gonna settle for these. So if you have like a really long bangs like here, it's gonna be a lot better obviously compared to mine that has like a little layer at the front right here, so it doesn't really show the fullness of your hair, but that's fine. It's really easy to install. Again, if you're a beginner, you could choose the ones that has a clip on already, so you just have to clip and you don't have to do a lot of work. It looks really cool that I have super long hair. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope that this video is a little helpful to you. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and I will see you guys next week.